Hi, I'm Ryan with Marine Parts Source. Sometimes when you're conducting an oil change on your boat, you just want to get it done quickly without having to use a pump and then move on. When that's the case, we offer these really great MPI Oil Drain Kits. They're really easy to use. You're simply going to connect it to your oil pan, make sure that the hose is below the oil pan, and then drain it out. Once it's done, you can disconnect and replace the end cap on the oil pan fitting. Each kit is going to come with a different fitting depending on your engine application. For standard GM engines manufactured before 1996, they'll use the 1/2-inch oil pan thread size, and you'll want to purchase kit number 305-0380. For Mercruiser inboard engines using the 3/8-inch oil pan thread size, you'll want to purchase kit number 306-0380. For GM engines manufactured after 1996 that use the metric 12mm oil pan thread size, the part number is 308-0380. And for metric Ford engines that use a 14mm oil pan thread size, you'll use kit number 309-0380. For assistance identifying the right oil drain kit for your engine, just give us a call at 866-388-0390 or visit us online at marinepartssource.com.